Hello, Bob Woodard, Chairman of the Dare County Board of Commissioners. As many of you know, we held our annual State of the County event on January the 27th. Because of COVID-19, this event was held virtually, and I'd like to take just a moment to thank everyone who tuned in. During the event, I discussed some of the challenges that we faced here in Dare County throughout 2020. I also highlighted an array of exciting new projects that are on the horizon and taking shape, such as the new College of the Albemarle Academic Building here in Manteo, the renovations of the Health and Human Services Building, again here in Manteo, the Town Commons in Manteo, the dredge that is being built for use in our inlets, and the brand new animal shelter on Roanoke Island, which I'm really excited to say will open its doors to the public next month. If you didn't have a chance to tune in to our live stream that afternoon, you can watch a video of the 2021 State of the County event on our YouTube page, www.youtube.com/Dare County. As always, I must mention the ongoing COVID-19 pandemic. I'm sorry to say that since the new year began, we've unfortunately had additional residents of Dare County succumb to the virus. This brings the total number of COVID-19 deaths in our county to 12. Folks, we can do better than this, and we must do better in order to protect our family members, our friends, fellow students, co-workers, and all of the other people who live or vacation in our community. According to our Health and Human Services Director, Dr. Sheila Davies, the majority of COVID-19 cases in Dare County continue to be acquired by direct contact rather than by community spread. That means it's more important than ever to continue to practice the 3 W's. And I cannot urge you enough to wear a mask whenever you're around people who don't live in your own household. It's up to all of us to stop the spread of COVID-19 in Dare County. And together, we can prevent more people in our community from losing a friend or loved one to this terrible virus. On the bright side, we are starting to see some light at the end of the tunnel. I'm pleased to report that as of the beginning of this week, we have administered over 7,000 first doses of the COVID-19 vaccine, as well as about 662 second doses. We also have 600 first dose appointments scheduled for the next 2 weeks. And we will continue to hold these clinics and administer the vaccine to Dare County residents so that hopefully in the months ahead, we can finally make this life-threatening virus a thing of the past. Another important item I want to mention today is the virtual public meeting we've got planned, where our county manager, Mr. Bobby Alton, will present the proposed beach nourishment project for the village of Avon. This meeting will be held virtually at 6 p.m. on Wednesday, February the 24th. I want to encourage everyone to tune in to this meeting, whether you just want to listen in and learn more about the project, or you want to share your input by signing up to make a comment or ask a question. You can register to attend this virtual meeting and also find a lot of specific information about the project, including many frequently asked questions by visiting www.darenc.com/AvonBN. As everyone knows, in February each year we celebrate Black History Month. During this month, it's important to recognize and reflect upon the struggles that African Americans have faced throughout the history of our nation. And it's also important to celebrate the many incredible accomplishments and important contributions that African Americans have made, including right here in Dare County. African Americans have a rich history here in Dare County, and they have played many important roles over the course of the past several centuries. In fact, our very own Pea Island Life-Saving Station down on Hatteras Island was the first life-saving station in the entire country to have an all-African American crew of surfmen way back in 1880. And it's also the first in the nation to have an African American man, Richard Etheridge, who was born a slave on January the 16th, 1842, as the station's keeper and commanding officer. It is the incredible accomplishments of trailblazers like Richard Etheridge that continue to inspire others, not just in Dare County, but around the world to this day. I would also like to say Happy Valentine's Day. Thank you all for tuning in for this message. I'd like to wish everyone a very happy Valentine's weekend. And as always, stay safe, stay healthy, and do your part to protect your fellow residents and visitors of the Dare County community. Thank you, and God bless.